On today's episode, we're going to see what's under this tarp. I think you're going to like it. (1953) Chrysler New Yorker hardtop. And yes, it came with a Hemi. Let's take a look at it. It's a pretty complete car. I have most of these parts that you don't see. Trim, emblems, I already took those off. It's sort of a faded green. Still got a nice white wall tire there. It is a hard top. Unlike other old cars, it gets used for storage. I have some extra glass. I have the rocker trim. It's another piece I need to pick up. Sun visor for a different car. It's in here because it's the only place I have to store it. And 96,000 miles. So somebody drove it. It's not terrible. That's steering wheel's kind of rough. Seats, some of this was leather. 1953. It was sold new at Corwin Churchill dealership in Bismarck, North Dakota. We'll go in the trunk last. It's pretty good. I've had this about a year. It's a good shot of it. As I said, it's a complete car except for engine and transmission. Those were pulled out years ago, and I do have them. This engine block is currently at a machine shop. So this one's going to run. It was not a two-tone car. Got that green. Did have a radio. Has a fluid drive transmission, or it did. Padded dash. Supposedly, there's two radiators back here. No, there's a radiator. I have another radiator. One of them is good. Got the drive shaft. Look at that, fancy. Probably gonna pull these seats out before winter. Maybe I can get them reupholstered, and then I can have something to sit on while I try to get this thing running again. There's a lot of the pieces, parts. That's from the engine, the original engine. Yeah, this needs to be cleaned out. I'm going to do that here pretty soon. Headliner, that's something. Door's closed nice. So, under the hood is nothing. It was a factory power steering car. Again, the engine and transmission I do have. Transmission's been in the trunk. It is complete. I started taking the wiring harness apart. I need to make a new one. But not too bad. Some rust down low here. It doesn't even really matter, probably. But this is the condition it's in. Got the original color. If we can see any of this. What can I add? These are hard to find. Had a radio. And let's take a look back here. We'll zoom out a little bit. Okay. Lots of engine parts, timing cover, pulleys, fuel pump, transmission cooler, oil pan, bell housing, air cleaner, fluid drive transmission. Not too bad in here. I haven't taken the mat out. Got some breathers, still even a head gasket. Look at that. Plexi hose. Not bad. I don't think it's ever been stored indoors. Outside when I found it. Actually, the day I found this, I found two more. The guy had 3 53 Chryslers. I went to look at this one, and guess what? I went home with all 3. And I'll talk about the other ones eventually. There's a 2-door post. On the other side of the shed, I have a 4-door New Yorker. It's probably going to be an epic parts car. You've seen that one on the channel a few times. Anyway, this is what I have to work with. This is what I want to do. I don't want to change or cut this car up unless I have to. Right now I'm thinking about just going black. Black on black. Black body, black inside. Maybe some fancy gray or silver upholstery. Make it look fancy. I mean, this was a nice car in 1953. But 2-door hardtop, black, with the original 331 Hemi, Firepower. Leave the drivetrain, leave the fluid drive. I'm even going to leave it 6 volts, 6 volt positive ground. Might dress it up a little bit, try to find all the trim and chrome. Yeah, look at that. I'm going to leave the suspension, leave these brakes, rebuild everything. This is also a power brake car. There's a booster under the seat, under the car. I'm going to have to take that apart, get that working. I want to get all the old cool stuff working. The old school 8 3/4 rear axle. It's not the muscle car 8 3/4. It's the old style. I can't tell what year. The tags on the plate say 1960. Oh, just a tidbit of information here. I have a title. The car is titled and registered to a 1953 license plate. I mean, it's legal already. That's kind of nice. I got another glove box cover. The glass is decent on the back. Of course, not so much up front. What do you guys think? Just go period correct 1953 Chrysler New Yorker. Try to stay with all the old gadgets and charging system, points, generator. Keep the drum brakes. Just turn it back into what it used to be, except black. And I haven't named this project yet. Maybe somebody have some clever ideas. I don't know. Who or what could we name this car after? Oh, maybe Hedy Lamarr? Is that a good name? She was fancy back in the golden age. Well, here, one last look at the engine bay. Thanks for watching.